Okay lang tayo sa pakikinig at tuloy ng Diyos. Yung nga yung Habakuk 1. Habakuk 1:1. Okay, muna sa Habakuk, the prophet did see to O Lord, how long shall I cry, and thou wilt not hear? Even cry out unto thee of violence, and thou wilt not save. Verse 3. Why dost thou show me iniquity, and cause me to behold grievance? For spoiling and violence are before me, and there are the raise up strife and contention. May pangitain siya, mga violence, mga digmaan. Verse 4. Therefore the law is slacked, and judgment doth never go forth. For the wicked doth compass about the righteous, therefore wrong judgment proceedeth. 5. Behold ye among the heathen, and regard, and wonder marvelously, for I will work a work in your days, which ye will not believe, though it be told to you. Hindi kayo maniniwala na gagawin ito ng Diyos. 6. For lo, I raise up that Chaldeans, ito yung Chaldeo, that bitter and hasty nation, which shall march through the breadth of the land, to possess the dwelling places that are not theirs. Mananakot talaga. Possess their dwelling places that are not theirs. Kita nyo, no? Bitter and hasty nations. Masama loob dito talaga. Masama loob. 7. They are terrible and dreadful. Their judgment and their dignity shall proceed of themselves. Ito yung Chaldeans. Ito yung characteristics na mananakop. Verse 10 nga. Tingnan natin. Verse 10. And they shall scoff at the kings, and the princes shall be a scorn unto them. They shall deride every stronghold, for they shall heap dust. Magtatabon siya ng mga alabok and take it. Sino yun? Sino yung sinasabi ng Biblia na Chaldeans? Magtatabon siya ng alabok, tapos kanya na sasakupin niya. Amen. Verse 2, chapter 2, verse 1. Okay. I will stand upon my watch and set me upon the tower, and will watch to see what he will say unto me, and what I shall answer when I am reproved. Verse 2. And the Lord answered me and said, write the vision and make it plain upon tables, that he may run that readeth it. Upang makabasa ay makatakbo. Ay yung verse 1, nabasa natin, nanawaan natin, mga mananakop. Ito na nga, yun na yung simula ng pagtakbo. Naunawaan natin. So let's proceed.